Hello everyone, and then welcome to this short tutorial where I'll show you how to remove a background image, okay, or the background of an image, like very quick and then easy. Okay, so we want to achieve something like this. So this is the image, and then we want to achieve something like this. Okay, so it completely removes the background. You can see it has very fine edges. Okay, so all you have to do is to go to remove background.bg. Okay, remove.bg. Yeah, as you see here, then you can drag your image. So I'm going to drag my image. Okay, so we'll try two images. So there's the image, and then I'm going to drag and drop it into, where isn't it? Okay. Okay, so let's see the magic. Very quick, and then makes things faster for you. So this image was actually generated in Canva. So an AI generated image, so you can see it's taking the background from it, and then now we have a very perfect, like, can see the edges are very smooth. Yeah. So let's try that with another one. So you can download, and then you can erase, do some erasing and things. You can also undo, okay, using these tools here. So let's try another one. Just go back. I'm going to try another one. So let's try this one. This one too is an AI generated image. That's I use Firefly. So let's see. I hope it comes out perfect. No disappointment. Is okay. Yeah. So at least it did something. Yeah. So you can see, though we have some of the parts distant hanging. Okay, we can just erase them by clicking the eraser, and then you can just clear them. Oops, I think I've cleared some parts of it. Basically, there's it, and yeah, you can, and then you can just download your image. Yeah, thank you.